Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Helm charts to a private registry, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer Helm charts to a private registry, start by preparing your environment. Ensure you have Docker installed on your machine. Verify your Helm installation by running Helm version in your terminal. Next, create a Helm chart if you don't already have one. You can do this by using the command helm create my chart. Now, navigate into your chart directory with cd my chart. Build your Helm chart using the command helm package. This command will generate a .tgz file in the current directory. Now, prepare your private registry. Ensure you have access to a private container registry, such as Docker Hub, AWS ECR, or a self-hosted option. Log into your private registry using Docker with the command docker login your registry URL. Once logged in, you can tag your Helm chart image. Use the command docker tag mychart version your registry URL /mychart version. Replace version with the version number of your Helm chart. Then, you need to push the created Helm chart to your private registry. First, create a new directory to hold the chart if it doesn't already exist. Then, move your packaged Helm chart to that directory. Next, use the command docker push your registry URL /mychart version to push your chart. Wait for the push to complete successfully. Now, the Helm chart is stored in your private registry. To verify the transfer, log into your private registry and check if your Helm chart appears there. If you need to use your Helm chart from the private registry, you'll need to set it in your Helm configuration. You can add the private registry as a Helm repository by using the command helm repo add repo name your registry URL. Finally, update your Helm repositories with Helm repo update. Now your Helm chart is ready to be deployed from your private registry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.